Vertical packaging machines, volumetric ball screw, linear scale, multi-head weighing, liquid filling machines, miscellaneous packaging equipment, conveyor belts, and elevators are available in our production network. Having succeeded to enter the sector with the Quadropak brand among the leading companies in the sector, our company has achieved a rapid increase with its export to more than 35 countries in a short time. The most important factor for the success of our company within the process of development that proves to be reliable in terms of quality and after-sales services is the importance we give to innovation. Our primary target is to become a preferred brand in domestic and international markets by meeting the ever-evolving customer requirements with product and service quality at the highest level in a timely manner. Thanks to our experienced staff, quality and innovation studies in production, and our engineering and design power, we are moving forward in the leadership. We have always targeted to reach the summit and to be the best in this success adventure. For robust and timely solutions, Quadropak Chairman Makine.